Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be covering a transportation engineering problem for you. In this case, we're given a scenario of a heavy duty vehicle going across a road pavement, and we're asked to find the load equivalency factor for that heavy duty vehicle. So the details that we are given is that the vehicle has a single axle exerting a force equivalent to 16,000 pounds and one set of tandem axles exerting a force equivalent to 22,000 pounds. So anytime that you see a problem like this, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the FE reference manual on page 308. So in this case, this is what that page looks like. As you can see, it's page 308. Now, I'm just going to put it on the side here for us real quick. And what you do is you go on the chart, you find the gross axle load that you were given for one of the specific cases in the problem, and then you find the load equivalency factor. So for our first one, we have a single axle load which is equivalent to 16,000 pounds. So we go right here to 16,000 pounds and we go to single axle, and that gives us the number 0.623. So for our first parameter, which is the single axle, it's 0.623, and then we do that once again for the set of tandem axles equivalent to 22,000 pounds. So we just go down here to 22,000, and remember it's tandem axle equivalency factor we're looking for. So 22,000 matches up with 0.180 for that case. So we just do 0.180 right here, and then if you add those two numbers, you're gonna get the answer is 0.803. So if you ever see a problem like that on the FE exam, as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. It's basically just knowing where to look in the manual and what information to use. There's a lot of problems on the FE exam that come down to that, so make sure you really learn your way around the manual. If you would like to see more problems like this and more in-depth tutorials on some of the concepts in the future, make sure to subscribe and make sure to leave a like and any feedback that you have for me in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.